Namaskar. Today in this video we are going to discuss on Sanskrit OCR. OCR, optical character recognition, is a process of mechanical or electronic conversion of scanned images of handwritten, typed or printed text into machine encoded text. It simply converts an image into text format from which we can access it easily. The converted format is editable and it is helpful to search, store and even for computational processes such as machine translation, text to speech and text mining as well. This OCR belongs to the research area of pattern recognition or artificial intelligence in general. Before getting into Sanskrit OCR, let us look at the steps involved in the development of an OCR. There are 3 steps involved in this process. First one is pre-processing, second one is text recognition, and third one is post-processing. These 3 steps are mainly involved in building any OCR. In the first pre-processing step, there are several processes involved such as deskew, despeckle, binarization and so on. In the second step, text recognition step, it follows 2 algorithms. First one is pattern recognition and second one is adaptive recognition. Scholars believe that adaptive recognition algorithm works better in any OCR. These 2 are mainly used in building OCR. There are several algorithms developed by many scholars. In the third step, post-processing step, it involves steps or processes like near neighbor analysis to get better accuracy in the final output. OCR is available for many languages including Indian and European languages. The OCR built for English and other languages gives better results compared to Indian languages or particularly for Sanskrit language. But many scholars are still working on the Sanskrit OCR and a few tools available online. One of the prominent Sanskrit OCR is developed by Dr. Oliver Hellweg from Germany. It is easy and very simple to use. It gives up to 90 to 95% of accuracy in the output. But you have to purchase that OCR for minimal price. Another Sanskrit OCR is developed by Auroville and it is available online for free. So let we have a look or a demo of this particular OCR tool. This is the interface. Okay, it says Sanskrit Seer and the link for this particular tool is ocr.sanskritdocuments.com. This will be the interface for you. There are these many images have been already processed and these many words have been recognized. There is a menu option here. If you click on that, it shows which particular service it is using. It is using Google's service and also Tesseract service. It is better to use Google service than Tesseract for better results. So you no need to worry about the settings. You can just paste it or drop or upload an image file or a PDF file to this particular tool. Let us try with an image file. Okay, I have an image which contains some text. So I gave, it says, please wait, we are converting your image to text. Please stand by. My image was this. Shastra Jateshu Sarveshu Saratamamidam Mahabharatam Vyasa Pranitam. You can read here, which is same. Tatracha Sarva Bharata Sangraham Vasudevarchuna Sammadarupam Bharata Parijata Madhubhutam Gitam Upanibabandha. Tatracha Sarva Bharata Sangraham Vasudevarjuna Sammadarupam Bharata Parijata Madhubhutam Gitam Upanibabandha. Tachoktam Puranayoho, that is also similar, but here in this case it has, after this is in the verse format, shloka format, which has to be like this, but it took it as a single line. And also you can observe this particular part, Tajnanan Muchyaten Jasa, but it recognized Tajnanan Muchyate Asa, so it couldn't recognize Anjasa. That Nja Sanyuktakshara is not recognized by this particular tool. However, that is, these kind of small errors will be there that we have to edit later with this particular output. Let us explore one more image. Just now I have uploaded this test one, which is in the PNG format. I can upload this JPG images also. You can see this particular image is not so clear, but let us see how this tool will analyze this. Okay, there is a particular script used in this particular image, but it has recognized correctly Yohana Likita Susamvadaha. One, it recognizes the number also, and Pratamodhyayaha, and so on. There are some problems in converting this image, but most of the text have been converted clearly. But I have to show you, when we upload a blurry image, how it works. It didn't give me any result because the image which I uploaded was not in a good format, not in a good condition. This particular image was very blurry and very unclear for processing. Okay, so that's why it couldn't do that. Now if I give these kind of images, that how it works, let us see. Oh, it is, look, it is converting the image into text within couple of seconds, so which means it is fast. Okay, so Shrihi has been analyzed correctly. Ananta Shayana Samskrita Grantavalihi, that is also written, converted nicely. Grantankaha 1, yes, right, but you can see here Kraistabdaha 1905 is converted as Restamdaha, which is not correct. However, most of the words have been converted rightly. So if it is converting up to 90% is also helpful for our research. Let me go for the handwritten content. I have taken most of the images from the Google itself. So let us see how this converts. Okay, it here the image has number 8, but it recognized as 5, but 8 is not in the Devanagari script, it is in Roman script, but it has converted something. Okay, so it is identifying the Roman scripts as well. So Purnamada Purnamidam, but Purnamite, it is not able to recognize this as idam, dam, so it is recognizing a te. We can, looking at the image, we can edit here. I mean this image contains a Purnam word separately here, so that has been converted rightly, but I don't want that, so I can delete that. Purnat Purnamudachyate, Purnat Purnamudachyate, that has been converted rightly. And Purnasya Purnamatraya, but Purnamadaya was confused with Purnam Atraya, that I can edit it. Purnamevava Shishyate, that is also converted properly. You can observe that this has ignored this particular symbol. However, it recognized here. So these kind of minute problems are present in this particular tool, which can be suggested to the author or the developer, which they might improvise it. So this image contains some script, some random script which is not Devanagari, okay, that has been converted in a different way. So it is not identified it properly, because it is only identifying the Sanskrit part, okay, that too up to some extent. It is not clearly doing it. So this is it. And for the tool which is developed by Dr. Oliver Helwig, you have to install it in your system and you can explore it as well. There is a free demo version available which can be installed and tested in your system. So I hope we come to know about Sanskrit OCR through this video. Dhanyavadah.